Welcome, everyone. Today, we are going to explore how to create a gift card in Shopify. If you are running an online store and want to offer your customers flexible gift options, first, open your Shopify account on the web. Once you're inside, navigate to the gift card section located in the main menu. Next, click on the Create Gift Card button to start adding a new card. Then, enter a unique gift card code that your customers will use during checkout. After that, input the initial value of the gift card, which determines the amount available for spending. You can also set an expiration date if you want the card to be valid only for a certain period. Additionally, there is an option to add a note for internal use or for the recipient, which can be helpful for tracking purposes. Finally, after verifying all the details are correct, click on the Save button to complete the creation of your gift card. The gift card is now ready and can be sent to customers via email or used in store, depending on your setup. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video,